got a habitat and it's my home, the happiest place I've ever known, a place where my friends and family have grown. I got a happy little habitat, that's my home. A fish got a habitat out in the sea, the birds got a habitat up in a tree, and some got a habitat with flat screen TV. I got a happy little habitat and it's so sweet. In the forest, in the rocks, or in the bushes where the lizards talk. Everybody needs the same old things. Animals and plants don't really have phones that ring. Home is a place that I love. Some folks' home is in the mud. Others, like my friends, live down the street in a shrub. Some got a happy little habitat with a hot tub.
All right, good job, class. That's very good. Now I'm going to go over some vocab words here. Our first one is habitat. Does anyone know what a habitat is? Okay. A habitat is a place where a species or group of animals make their home. It's also known as an environment in which they live. So if I give you an example of a pig, where do you think a pig would live? Aiden?
A farm.
A farm, that's correct. Okay. All right, the next word is amphibians. Does anybody know what an amphibian is?
I forgot. Snake.
That's an example of one. But the definition is, it's a various cold-blooded animal, and it's capable of living on both land and water. So a snake is an example. Also a frog would be an example. Nick, can you tell me where a frog would live?
The rainforest.
Rainforest, good. All right, the next word we have is birds. Can you guys tell me some things you know about birds?
They fly.
Feathers.
They fly, they have feathers. Brandon, can you please raise your hand?
Feathers.
Feathers, thank you. Anybody else?
They lay eggs.
They lay eggs, okay. That's right, so and they're also warm-blooded, and they lay eggs to reproduce. Can you guys give me some examples of where birds live, like
Trees.
they live in trees? That's their habitat, good. All right. All right, the next word we have is mammals. Does anybody know anything about mammals? Yes, Nick?
People are mammals.
They are. We are warm-blooded, yes.
Oh, that's what I was gonna say.
Okay. So the definition of a mammal is any various warm-blooded vertebrate animal, and like another example of a mammal would be a dolphin. Can anybody tell me where a dolphin would live? Mackenzie?
The ocean.
The ocean. Good. And that would be the dolphin's habitat or environment it lives in. All right, so everybody, you kind of heard what some of the vocab words were for this week. You heard what a habitat is, where all the animals, that's their environment and their home. So now I want you to think about what your animal of choice would be. Think about the first animal that pops in your head. Keep it in your head for right now, and then I'll talk to you in 1 minute. All right, so now we're going to talk about our favorite animal. This might not be the one you picked earlier. This is going to be your favorite animal. So, Joe, can you tell me your favorite animal?
Monkey.
Monkey, okay. Okay. Can you tell me your favorite animal?
I like alligators.
Alligators, okay. All right. Kenzie?
I like elephants.
Elephant. Okay.
And
Nick?
I like tigers. Tigers.
Tigers. See, we're gonna do a math activity. So we're gonna count up all of the classroom's favorite animals. So we're gonna separate these. All right. So as a group, you guys are each gonna split up. We're gonna split off into pairs, and you guys are gonna count the animal groups, and we're gonna see which one was the favorite of our class. Okay, so now we are counting up all the votes, all the favorite animals of the children in our class. So Nick and Mackenzie, what two animals did you guys have?
Alligators and lions.
Okay. How many lions did you have, Mackenzie?
7.
Okay. And Nick, how many alligators?
Uno, or one.
All right. All right, and what animals did you guys have?
Elephants, monkeys, and
Tigers.
tigers.
Okay. How many elephants did you have?
We had 2.
2. And monkeys?
2.
And tigers.
4.
All right, good. Okay, so due to time constraints and resources, I would show the students in my class habitat such as this, and I would ask them, after we talked about all of our environments and all of our habitats, I would ask them to pick their favorite animal and visit one of these environments that I would create around our classroom. Okay, Nick, can you tell me where a tiger lives?
The tiger lives in the rainforest.
Okay. Mackenzie, can you tell me where an elephant lives?
An elephant lives in the jungle.
Jungle. Okay. Aiden, can you tell me where an alligator lives?
Lives in the swamp.
Swamp. Okay. Joe, can you tell me where your favorite animal, a monkey, lives?
Monkey lives in the forest.
What do monkeys eat?
Bananas.
I have one.
You
So
do?
you can have a banana.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Now we're gonna go back around, and I would like you guys to tell me, give me a little example of what your animal sounds like and looks like. So just go ahead. Nick, you're first.
The tiger.
Good. Thank you. Mackenzie.
An elephant has a big trunk.
Good. Could you give me a sound of what an elephant sounds like? Good. Aiden.
The alligator goes chomp, 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 chomp.
Good. Joe. Monkey.
A monkey goes.
Good. Thank you. Okay, Ron. So, what do you think? What do you think about habitats? Have you been learning about those? You kind of know what's going on a little bit. Okay. So, can you give me an example? I'm gonna give you an example. A habitat of, let's say, a jungle. What kind of animal lives in a jungle? Do you think?
A lion.
Okay, a lion. Okay. Can you give me some characteristics or like what a lion would look like?
It has a lot of hair and fur on its head.
Okay,
On
good.
its head. And it has
Good.
a long tail.
Good. The hair on its head is called a mane, so that's good. All right. Okay, so how about another animal that might live in the jungle?
A tiger.
Tiger. Good. We had some other classmates talk about a tiger. Okay. Good. Tigers have stripes a lot of times. So that's good. All right. How about one more animal that might live in the jungle?
A monkey.
Monkey. Good. And monkeys, we had some classmates talk about monkeys as their favorite animal. Good.